Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
My name is Manish.
Today, Ray Dalio says he owns Bitcoin. I'm going to share a screen. Just one moment. Here we go. So Ray Dalio, one of the wizards of Wall Street in my books, have 2,000 analysts. He's even able to predict certain markets to break. And now he reveals that he has some bitcoins. Dalio told CoinDesk during its 2021 consensus conference. But Dalio maintains that cryptocurrencies still face risks. Bitcoin's greatest risk is its success, he said. And if it succeed, one of the great things I think as a worry is the government having the capacity to control Bitcoin or the digital currencies. They know where they are and know what's going on. The more we create savings in Bitcoin, the more you might say I'd rather have Bitcoin than the bond. Personally, I rather have Bitcoin than a bond. And then the more that happens, then it goes into Bitcoin and it doesn't go into credit. Then government lose control of that. This isn't the first time Dalio have expressed concern about the risk of government regulations, but he said that I am not a Bitcoin or cryptocurrency expert. He wrote in January saying that what I think of Bitcoin, but I suspect that Bitcoin's biggest risk is being successful, because if it's successful, the government will try to kill it, or they will have a lot of power trying to overthrow it. So in March, Dalio warned of the possibility that the US government could ban Bitcoin as it did with gold during the 1930s if the cryptocurrency is seen as a competitive threat to treasury bonds. However, James Ledbetter, editor of fintech newsletter Fin and CNBC contributor, previously told CNBC make it that it's quite difficult for the government to effectively ban Bitcoin. Although there's concern and risk around regulations of Bitcoin, he doesn't think that there's any concerns among different countries, central banks to shut down Bitcoin. He said that I don't think it's technologically possible, but there's always a way that Bitcoin could be regulated. So, nonetheless, the world is going to change at an incredible fast pace. And Dalio told the CoinDesk, whoever wins the technology race wins it all economically and militarily. That's what that's going to be looked at in the next 5 years. So,
Yeah,
yep.
yeah. The success comes with the risk as well, and definitely, if you have a success when the Bitcoin is more famous, the first person who's going to hate is the bank,
Mm,
because definitely their the transactions and all those more into a crypto rather than a traditional banking environment. And also some countries will not like it if if it grows more than their currencies. So definitely the
mm,
countries and the banking persons,
yep.
uh, and they will not like it if you have a loss of success for
Mm,
certain cryptos. Yeah.
yeah. So I think that's all Manish I have in the news. And you're right. It comes with risks, and I think we have to see how regulators will come in to protect people also, because investments are going into the crypto space. So we'll see what happens in future. Yeah.
Yep. So yeah, so from my side, that's all for the news, right, Wayne?
Yep. That's all.
Okay. So, guys, you guys are aware that we have also covered in our previous live streams and the videos that Bitcoin is going to come up with their protocol upgrade, which is Taproot, in this November. So, let me just give you a glimpse what exactly the Taproot is and how it's going to help Bitcoin, how the Taproot benefits Bitcoin. So, Taproot is a soft fork that improves Bitcoin's script to increase privacy and improve upon other factors related to complex transactions. The transactions on the Bitcoin network can use various features that make them more complex, including time lock release and multi signature requirement and others. Without Taproot, anyone can detect a transactions that use those complex functionality which require the creation of multiple transactions. However, the Taproot upgrade will make it possible to clock all the moving part of the Bitcoin transactions that include these features. So even if the transactions adopt those features, they will look like a single transaction. So how it's going to help, how the Taproot will benefit Bitcoin? As we have already discussed, Taproot will bring major improvements to Bitcoin privacy. When combined the soccer signatures, Taproot may also boost efficiency when performing a transactions. Beside enhanced privacy, other potential benefits includes a reduced amount of data to be transferred and stored on the blockchain, and more transaction per block means higher TPS rate and lower transaction fees. So definitely when you are doing a trading using the Bitcoins, you will have these three major benefits when the Taproots is when the Taproots upgrade completes. So finally, Taproot is a high anticipated and widely supported upgrade to Bitcoin. If it gets implemented along with the soccer signatures, we will see the significant improvement in the terms of privacy, scalability, security, and more. These upgrades can also generate more interest around the Lightning Network and encourage multising to be more an industry standards. So yeah, in terms of your security, the Taproot is going to help, and the transaction speed going to be improved. So probably it will also give some boost in the Bitcoin market, and probably more people is going to invest on the Bitcoin from November onwards.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah,
I'm looking forward to that. So, thanks, Manish, for that.
yeah,
So, guys, let me just move on to the next to just kind of look at the market, what's happening on the market space. So here we have the fear index showing on the crypto space. We are still in extreme fear. I think today Bitcoin is trading at 31,700. Still at the support level. We hope that it doesn't drop below 31, because then it will go to the next phase, which is uh, in the 20 range. So looking back again over the last few years, even during the COVID, we were down here and we had a nice run up since August. Today we are still in this range, and you can see it being reflected in the Bitcoin trend. On the VIX currently now on the markets, everything seems a bit quiet also. No issue, people, business as usual. So I won't be speaking about that. But Ray Dalio, in the topic today, which I speak about, he has 2,000 analysts and he's doing 17% per annum. So that's something that you need to take note. The difference between the normal traditional markets versus the crypto space. So looking back at this, the crypto heat map, as you can see, it's bloodbath with Bitcoin having about 50% and Ethereum holding about 20%. So it's about close to 60 over percent, leaving the rest at 40%. Today, Bitcoin is down by 2.08, Ethereum is down by 2.33, USDT is down by 0.03, Binance Coin is up by 2.12, Cardano is down by 2.08, XRP is down by 1.49, USD coin is down by 0.02, Doge is down by 3.34. We are hitting 18 cents now. Polkadot is down by 4.94. BUSD is down by 0.02. And we have Solana is down by 0.47. It's been a quiet week, guys. So we'll see what happens in the next coming days. We are still countdown to the 18th. Everybody's looking towards grayscale. And the 21st between the conversation of Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey. So let's look at over the coin cap of for 1 year. So we have 2x for BTC. Ethereum losing its grip. Previously was 7x. Now you can consider making about 6x. BNB about 16x. Cardano, right? We have Doge 57, right? X. So still in the greens, looking in on the 1 year's trend. Let's move over to the technicals. So on the technicals, as you can see, we are going to hit the bottom of the support, which is 31,000. If it breaks, we will be looking at the range between 31,000 to 24. If we hit 24, then Robert Kiyosaki is right, because he predicted that that the Bitcoin will crash at 24 and he's going to load up on Bitcoin. So that's something to look forward. But if he's not right on the 24K, then we'll be looking at a nice run up, breaking the 36 barrier, hitting the 40, which is the main resistance, and then we will see a very nice bull run
It's
on
holding
Bitcoin.
it from, I think, couple of weeks. The same.
Yeah, see the
Yeah,
channel here.
yeah.
I think started since yeah, this date.
It's
So
it's just in that
yeah,
that line.
yeah, just going up, down, and up. But as it goes up to hit the to try to retest the 36,000, we are making money on all the other altcoins. So
Hmm.
this mother of all really dictates the industry, and we are watching Bitcoin very closely because it moves the market. So with all that said, that's all I have today, guys.
Yep.
Okay. So that's all I have today. I don't have anything. We myself and Manish, we have to go for a meeting shortly, so we will be ending today early. We're gonna meet
Yeah.
some few people in the industry for crypto and learn certain things that we might share with you in a future date. So with that, I'll see you all soon. Have a lovely day, and if
And
you have any further questions, let me know, Manish.
yep. If you have any
Thank you.
further
Yep.
questions, please let us know. See
Yeah.
you.
See you same time, same channel tomorrow. Take care, guys.
Take care. Bye.